Hi children, today we will do exercise 10.3 question number 4 and 5. Now move to the next question. Fourth question. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long as 300 square meter. What is given there in the question? 50 meter long. Long means what? That is the length of that particular rectangular garden. Is 300 square meter. What is 300 square meter? That is the area of that particular rectangular garden. I hope the first sentence of the question is clear. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Long means length. What is the length given here? Length is equal to 50 meter and area is equal to of the rectangular garden is equal to 300 meter square or square meter. Now what we have to find out in this question? We have to find out the width. Width means what? Breadth. We have to find out the breadth. We already studied one formula. If area and length is given there, how will we find the breadth, children? Area divided by, how will we find the breadth? Area divided by length. Okay. Now what is area here? 300 divided by 50. 300 divided by 50. What is the answer? 6 meter. 300 divided by 650 is 6 meter. So what is the breadth of this particular rectangular garden? 6 meters. So what is given there in the question? Length is given, area is given, and we have to find the breadth, and we know how to find the breadth by using the formula area by length. Okay. So what answer we got here? 6 meter. I hope this answer is clear. Now move to the next question. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter? So what is given there in the question? We want to tile a rectangular plot of land. Its length is given there. What is the length of the land? What is the length of the land? Length of the land is equal to 500 meter. Or you can write length of the rectangular plot of land. Okay, length of a rectangular plot of land. Breadth is equal to, what is the breadth here? Breadth is equal to, what is the breadth? 200 meter. Listen children, we want to tile, we have to put tiles on a rectangular plot, and we have to find what will be the cost of tiling that particular rectangular plot. So if you know the area only, we can find how much portions are required, is it? So for finding the cost of tiling the rectangular plot of land, first we have to find what, children? We have to find the area of that particular rectangular plot. Okay. So for finding the cost of tiling, first we have to find the how much area should be there. Then only we can find the cost, is it? So first we have to find the area of that particular land. What is the formula of finding area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. That means L into B, that is 500 into 200. 500 into 200, what is the answer? 1 lakh. 1 lakh, here the unit is in meters, so we can write it as meter square. 1 lakh meter square. Okay. So what is given there in the question? We have to find the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land. Its length and breadth is given there, and one more thing is given there in the question, at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. What is the meaning of that sentence? Cost of tiling 100 meter square of land. Cost of tiling 100 meter square of land is equal to rupees 8. So what is the meaning? Cost of tiling 100 meter square. Cost of tiling 100 meter square of land is rupees 8. So how will we find the cost of 1 lakh meter square? Cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square of land. How will we find, children? First we find out cost of tiling 1 meter square of land. 1 meter square of land will be rupees 8 by 100. So if you know the cost of tiling 100 meter square of land is equal to rupees 8, we can easily find the cost of tiling 1 meter square of land. How will we find? 8 by 100. So if you know the cost of 1 meter square of land, cost of tiling 1 meter square of land, how will we find the cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square of land? How will we find the cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square of land? 1 lakh meter square of land is equal to, how will we find, children? 8 by 100, 8 by 100 into 1 lakh, 8 by 100 into 1 lakh. So cancel 2 zeros. So what will the answer we will get? 8 into 1000. What is the answer? Rupees 8,000. So what is the cost of tiling 1 lakh meter square of land? Rupees 8,000. I hope it's clear. We have to find the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land. For finding the cost, first we have to find the area of that particular land. First we have to find the area of that particular land, and we got the area as 1 lakh meter square. We got the area as 1 lakh meter square. What is the formula of finding area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. And we got the area as 1 lakh meter square. So if you know the area, we can easily find the cost. It is given that cost of tiling 100 meter square is rupees 8. So what is the cost of 1 lakh meter square, cost of tiling? 1 lakh meter square of land, 8 by 100 into 1 lakh. What is the answer? Rupees 8,000. That is cost of rupees 8,000 is the cost of tiling that 1 lakh, that particular rectangular plot of land. I hope this answer is clear. That's all for today. Thank you.